To enable or disable show surface updates in Samsung Galaxy S10, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings, scroll down and find developer options, tap developer options, and then scroll down, find show surface updates. Show surface updates flash entry window surface when they update. To enable, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you enable it, if Windows surface when update, or you can see flash when window is changed. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.